We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 17 with an unresponsive, stuck, or frozen screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really frustrating because you're then unable to go and use it. The screen's on and you can't go and properly use it, and you'll be thinking, how can I go and resolve this because I can't go and access the phone? We're going to guide you through how this can be done, so make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what we can actually do is go and perform a restart. As often, this is a software problem and a restart is going to go and resolve that. So it's definitely worth doing. So to go and get started with this, what we're going to do is we need to go and know the button combination. We're going to tell you it and then guide you through it. It does need to be done quickly and consecutively. So what we're going to need to do is go and press the volume increase, then decrease, and then you tap and hold the side button. We're going to do that live now. I've done this before and it's gone and resolved it. So let's do it now. Volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. When your screen is frozen, unresponsive, etc., it may just go and remain the same. You aren't going to go and see this screen here. It will just remain the same, but shortly it should go black, but keep the button held down. You can see I have. Only release it when you go and see the Apple icon like that. So now it's going to go and start again. We can go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long. And then hopefully when it comes back on, the problem should go and be resolved. Shouldn't be much longer. And as you can see, here we are. You can then use the screen and the problem should then go and be resolved. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with another how-to. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.